welcome to my channel. Hello, 大家好. I'm super excited to share this DIY with you guys for Chinese New Year's. It also happens to be the one right behind me, but I find it such a cool and creative way to ring in Chinese New Year's. A couple of fun facts as well. Chinese New Year's falls on February 12th this year, and it is also the year of the ox. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, I wanted to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year's and Gong Hei Fa Cai. For this project, you'll need a wreath, flowers. Dollarama has a great selection of different flowers, red envelopes, a glue gun, glue sticks, and a wire cutter. Start off by tucking in any loose branches or branches sticking out to get your desired look. I mainly took the branches that were sticking out and tucked them back in just to prevent them from getting caught on anything when I'm moving it around in the future. I took the flowers and placed them on the wreath to get an idea of where I wanted to start. Once you know your starting point, go ahead and use the wire cutters to cut the flowers off the stems. You can also use scissors for this part as well, but I prefer to use wire cutters just because they're a little bit quicker and easier to use. There are two ways to adding your flowers. You can simply tuck your flowers into the wreath and adjust them afterwards. The other option is to use the glue gun and glue the flowers on so you know they won't be moving around. I use a combination of both. When you've added the glue, push down the flower to the wreath for a couple of seconds so the glue holds. Once you start getting the hang of adding the flowers, go ahead and finish adding them around the wreath. When you're done with the flowers, take your red envelopes next and play around with where you want them added. Once you know where you want them, put a bit of glue on the back and stick them onto the wreath. When the glue is on, you'll want to push down on the envelope so the glue holds to the wreath. I had to do this a couple times just to make sure that it does stay on. And there we go. That's it. I am so in love with how this turned out. It was super fun to make, and I think it is such a great decor idea to celebrate Chinese New Year. Thank you for watching. Please click the like and subscribe button for more videos. See you next time.